Gelato is a popular print-on-demand (POD) service that allows you to sell custom products without holding inventory. It prints and ships locally in over 30 countries for faster delivery and lower costs. Step-by-step guide, create accounts, sign up for a free Gelato account at gelato.com, then log into your Shopify store. Install the Gelato app. Go to the Shopify App Store. Search for Gelato, print on demand. Click Add App, install and grant permissions. Connect your store. In Gelato Dashboard, go to Stores, select Shopify. Connect your store. Authorize the connection. Create and sync products. In Gelato, browse the product catalog or upload your designs. Customize products, set pricing, including profit margin, and generate mockups. Click Sync to Shopify. Products will appear in your store automatically. Setup, shipping and fulfillment. Gelato automatically handles order fulfillment. Configure shipping rates in Shopify or let Gelato use dynamic rates. Key benefits. Local production. Faster shipping and lower costs. No upfront inventory costs. Automatic order routing and tracking updates.